I'm Preeti Lathar, graduate student at the MS ABA program at ASU. And as part of my program, I'm currently placed as a behavioral therapist at SARC, Southwest Autism Research and Resource Center. So I wanted to work with adults, young adults, and adolescents on the autism spectrum. And when our practicum internship interview started, I chose SARC with this intention of working with young adults on the spectrum. I was I was very clear about that. So this relates to me personally. I have a daughter on autism spectrum, and she has been the driving force behind me taking up this course. Before I applied for this course, I was already a master's in applied psychology. But then, when I had my daughter, and then when I got to experience the ups and downs, and sometimes the challenges which parents with children who are on the spectrum face, I wanted to equip myself with those skills to help my child and others like her. Also, I realized there was a scarcity of services which were catering to young adults on the spectrum. When you get a diagnosis as a parent, it's very difficult. But then I'm not those kinds who will give up or accept, be fatalistic about my circumstances. So I started reading a lot about what autism was, and that was my first introduction towards what autism was all about. And I started taking her for her intervention, sitting through with the intervention, noting down each and every point. And to tell you, in India, we do not have such a strong infrastructure of ABA. So by the time my daughter spoke her first words, she was almost 4. And believe me, that was like day in and day out of hard work. Apart from the therapy, working with her at home, I think that made me a lot patient and willing to receptive to the idea of working in this field. And the best part is we get a chance to to make a difference into the lives of so many people with so many disabilities, people at the organizational level who are unable to achieve their productivity level because of n number of factors in the larger organization culture. So organization behavior, intellectual deficits, and even animal behavior. So it's an entire range. And as our program director, I'm so motivated by his quote, Professor Stenhoff, and he often says in the class that we live in a broken world, and our job is to help fix some of it. And this quote kind of propels me to give my best to whichever clientele I get to work with in future as well.